G'day guys, it's Tommy here at Raw Blends. Today I'm going to show you the available accessories for Vitamix in Australia in 2022. In the Vitamix model lineup, we have the Explorian E310 series and we have the Ascent series, which consists of 3 different models. Now, unfortunately, all the accessories are not compatible with the 2 different series. So firstly, I'm going to discuss the Explorian series accessories. Now, the E310 model comes standard with a 1.4 litre container and a little mini tamper. Or if you're wanting a smaller container, there is a 900ml or 0.9 litre container available that comes with a wet blade. Now, this is perfect for blending smaller quantities. It's also great for traveling because it's more compact to get in your suitcase. If you're looking for a bigger size container, there's a 2 litre low profile container available. So this will make up to 8 cups of smoothie, perfect for a larger family. There's also a 900ml or 0.9 litre dry blade container available. Now, this blade is actually different to the wet blades. This is specifically designed for grinding grains into flour and kneading dough. There's also a tamper holder available, which is a great little accessory for storing your tamper on the side of the machine so you don't lose it. The tamper holder easily clips to the motor base. Now, when you finish blending, this under blade scraper is the perfect accessory to help get your ice cream or nut butter, those little bits you can't get from underneath the blade, so you don't waste any of your recipe. This is also compatible with the Ascent series blenders. Now let's move on to the available Ascent accessories. Now, the Ascent series comes standard with a 2 litre low profile container. So these are the available accessories for the Ascent series in Australia. Firstly, we have the Ascent blending bowl starter kit. Now, this starter kit includes your blade base, which is compatible with your 600ml container and also a 225ml blending bowl. Now, the 600ml blending cup that's included in the starter kit is perfect for making single serve smoothies, and it's also great for making salad dressings. So it comes with this handy lid so you can blend directly into the cup and drink your smoothie on the go. The 225ml bowl that's included in the starter kit comes with a handy little lid for storage. Now, this is perfect for grinding grains into flour. You can also chop garlic, you can make salsa or nut butters. So a really handy little accessory. Now, when you're tightening the blade base to the bowl or cup, there's actually a little arrow right here on the blade base. You want to line that up with another little arrow on the cup or bowl, and basically you tighten that until those 2 arrows meet up. Now the unit should recognize the container, and it's got self-detect technology, so it's going to adjust the blending time to suit. So that's come up with 38 seconds, or if I put on the 2 litre container, it's going to go back up to 50 seconds. So that's a pretty cool feature with the Ascent series blenders. Now, you can also purchase additional 600ml blending cups, and you can purchase a 2-pack of 225ml blending bowls. The Ascent series also has a compatible tamper holder, which easily attaches to the base of the blender. Now, if you're wanting to grind grain in the Ascent series blenders, Vitamix currently recommend using the blending bowls. They'll do a really great job. Or Vitamix recommend using an additional 2 litre wet blade container for dry applications. Now, this wet blade is perfectly capable of grinding grains into flour and kneading dough. It's just the dry blade will do an even better job. Now, grains are so hard that they will etch, they'll mark the inside of the container over time. You want your wet blade container to stay on the bench, you use it every single day, you keep your dry blade container in the cupboard. Now, you might be asking yourself, why isn't there a specific dry container for the Ascent series? Unfortunately, not all Vitamix accessories that have been released in the USA have been released in Australia. In the USA, there is a compatible dry container accessory. If you were to purchase an Ascent dry container in the USA, it's not compatible with the Australian model because they have self-recognizing technology built in. But it is expected to be released in Australia by early 2023. There's also a 1.4 litre wet blade container expected to be released, an air disc container for whipping, foaming, emulsifying, and muddling your favorite recipes. Vitamix have recently released some new accessories which aren't available in Australia yet. The accessory we receive the most inquiries about is the food processor attachment for the Ascent series. We haven't been informed of an expected release date. We are hoping it's going to be released in Australia in 2023. There's also a 1.4 litre stainless steel container that we're hoping to get in the future, and possibly some digital scales which connect via Bluetooth to a Vitamix recipe app. As soon as new accessories become available in Australia, we will be sure to let you know, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, if you have any questions at all about accessories, please comment below. Happy blending!